Again, and also like operator, it can support the two wild characters. What are all those? The like operator always it can support the two wild characters. One is the percentage, one is the underscore only. One is the percentage, one is the underscore. Mainly the like operator will use the character data type only. Majority 80% we need to write the like operator as a character data only. The remaining 20% we need to use the date and numbers only. Majority we need to write the like operator as a character data only. For example, before going to like operator, one example I am going to tell you. Employee table it is there. Employee table. There are different employee names are there. Okay. In the organization, there are different employee names are there. Now you can tell me the answer. First, I need to write the employee names here. Now here, how many students are there here for with the same name? 1 minute. Now here, these many students are there as of now. Okay. Now for the employee table, one of the column employee name. In this employee name, these many employees are present. Okay, as per the data. What is my current requirement? I'm able to find out the still few. I'm able to find out the whose employee name start with A. Now, what is my current requirement? I may for this employee name column, there are different employees are present as per our understand. Okay, what is my current requirement? I'm able to find out the whose employee name start with A. How many employee names are there with start with A?
Oh.
Huh? Now, if you're able to see the data in this table, this is the manual data. Now you can see the data, correct or not? Now, how many employee names start with A as per this data?
Three.
Three. Arshia,
Four.
Ashok only. These three employee names start with A only, correct? Now, how we can write the query normally if you know the employee names? I'm able to see that these three employees only. How we can write the query normally?
Select Abdul Arshia Ashok from.
No. How we can write the query? Select star from EMP. I am able to see these three employee names only. How we can write the query normally? Currently, there is no data, but these employee names are not present in this table. For assumption, how we can write the query?
Where E-name equal
where
to
employee name equals to
where E-name
employee's name equals
E-name equal to
A%.
where E-name equal to now tell me
name Abdul, Akshaya.
Now is it work? Already I told you.
It won't
Abdul
work.
Arshia.
like only one.
Is it work for this query normally?
No.
Now, what is this? This is a what type of operator? This is a relational operator. How many values we need to pass this relational operator?
Only
one value. If you are able to give the multiple values to this query, is it allowed? Is it executable, this query?
No.
Simply it can throw the error. How we can pass these values to this column? How many ways we need to write it?
Single value three times.
By using
single
the-
value 3 times, how we can write it? For example, in your
Select.
table is having, in your employee table is having 1 lakh employees are there. Out of 1 lakh employees, 10,000 employee names start with A. How many conditions we need to write? Select queries 10,000. Is it
10,000.
possible?
No, not possible.
How we can write the query?
Using like we can write.
Like a
Later,
percentage.
no need to. If you don't know the like operator, how we can write the query?
or
In
R is the option is there or not?
yes.
Select star from EMP.
Where
Where
in a
name equal to what it is?
Abdul or
Abdul first.
or
What I need to write
Arshia
next
or-
again? E name equal to
Arshia.
Arshia. Next one,
Or-
what it is? Again R.
E name equal to
E name
Ashok.
equal to
Ashok.
one more, what it is?
Ashok.
Ashok only. Now for this space, how many conditions we need to write it here? How many R conditions we need to write?
3.
2, 3, 3.
three.
Three
Three
conditions
conditions.
only. Okay. How many R conditions? We need to write the 2 R conditions here. As of now, correct? Now,
Yes.
for example, there are 3 employees are there. How many conditions we need to write? As of now, 2 R conditions only. Now, is it possible every time? Now, instead of
No.
this, which operator we need to write yesterday?
In
How we can pass the multiple values to our query?
using in.
Using in
Using in only.
in the
This
keyword.
is the condition wise. No need to write the conditions every time. That's the reason we need to write the in operator only, correct?
Select
Yes.
star from
Select
EMP
star
where
from EMP,
name
where
in.
ename, in.
In.
Just
Right,
what
it's
I am
okay.
going to do here, you need to pass all the values only, correct or not?
Yes.
Up to this clarity, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, okay. If you know the employee names, then you can write the query like this, correct or not?
Yes.
If you know the employee names, then you can write the query like this. What is our current requirement? In the employee table, the employee name, whose employee name start with A? You need to know the correct full employee name or only first character of the employee name.
First character of the employee name.
How we can write the query?
Using
If you
like
know the
Like a
employee
percentage.
names, then you can write the query like this only. Then what is the first step? One, it is the R condition. Instead of this is a drawback of R. Why? Because multiple conditions we need to write. Instead of multiple conditions, only one operator I need to write. What it is that? In only.
that is in.
Here, if you know the values, then you can write the query. Current requirement, if you know the values,
We
if you
can
know the
write
employee
it in.
names, current query, current requirement. Have you clear the requirement or not? What
Yes,
is my current
current-
requirement? As per the employee table, whose employee name start with A
As with
only.
A. Oh, yes.
Not for a complete employee name. Now, in the, for example, as of now, there are 10 employees are there. For example, out of 10 employees, how many employee names start with A? As of now, if you
Only
know the
3.
data, then you can tell me the answer quickly. Correct or not?
Yes.
In the table, in the entire organization, 1 lakh employees are present in that company. Out of 1 lakh employees, 10,000 employees name start with A only. If you know the names, then you can write the conditions R. Then you can write it as a 9,999 R conditions you need to write. Otherwise, if you know the employee names, after in operator, you need to pass the 10,000 employee names only. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it possible every time?
No, not possible.
All of you clear
No.
the requirement? Is it possible every time? That's the reason Oracle it can provide the one more operator that it is called as a like operator only. Clear up to this?
Yes.
If you understand this requirement, the like operator is very, very easily. If you don't know this one, the like operator, it's very difficult only. Okay. Now I'm going to write what is the syntax here, like operator. Then I can write it. First open here. This is for sample example only. Now here, what is the syntax of R, like operator? Select
Start from
star from
Start from
Table
table
name.
name.
table name,
where column name,
column name, like
Like per.
here you can write as a
A
wild card
percentage.
characters. Wild card. Here you can write it as a wild card.
Okay.
Wild card characters. Okay. This is the syntax of now for here only. Just a minute. I can take this name. First, I want to take these names only. Here only I'm going to explain. One by one, I'm going to paste it here. Just understanding this. Before that, 1 minute. What is the first name here, for example?
Abdul.
Now here, up to this, we need to find out what is our current requirement, whose name start with A only, correct?
Yes.
Now come to this. What is this percentage? There are how many wildcard operators we need to pass the like operator? 2 only. What are all those? One is the percentage, one is the underscore only. Now all of you clear? How many wildcard characters we need to use in the like operator? 2 operators only. One is the percentage, one more is the underscore. What is the use of percentage? Percentage represents remaining characters after selected character in the given expression or string only. Remaining characters after what is our first select? What is the character name? What is our character name? Start with A.
A.
After this character, how many characters we need to write? We don't know. Correct or not? What is the
Yes.
starting character?
A.
A only. After
Okay.
that, any character we need to receive them. We don't bother about that. Instead of that, what we are going to write? Percentage only. What is mean? For this, for example, what I am going to write it here? A percentage only. What does it mean for this A percentage? First, it can start with the employee
A.
name with A. After that, whatever
Whatever
the
it is.
character it is coming, we don't bother about that. That employee names, I want to pick it. Clear up this, all of you?
Yes,
If
yes,
I am
yes.
able to write the A percentage, what is this percentage? After selected characters, whatever the characters it is there, that data I want to pick up. Then we can write this percentage only. Clear up
Yes.
this, all of you?
Yes.
Percentage nothing mean. Percentage is nothing but after character, any value it is getting, then we can use the percentage only. Underscore means each character, we need to use it as an underscore only. For single character, we need to write the underscore only. Okay. Percentage means after starting character, any values it is there, then I can pick it. That is called as a percentage only. What it is there here? Now here, just check it here. Remaining characters after selected character in the given expression only. What is the selected character as per our requirement? A only. After that, how many characters are there? We don't know. That characters I want to get it. Then we can write it as the percentage only. Okay. For example, I'm able to print the employee name. How many employee names are starting with 3 characters? How many employee names starting with 3 characters? Then this is the wildcard operator we need to write. One more. What it is? Underscore only. If you're able to find out the 3 employee characters, employee name should start with whatever the character, we don't bother about that. How many employee names start with 3 characters? How we can find out? By using underscore only. How many underscore I have written here? 3 underscores. If you are able to, each underscore, it can represent the single character. This is the 2 wild characters. We need to write it as a like operator. Is it clear up to this? Can we move?
Yes.
We'll go for example. This
Yes.
is sample data only. Now I can show it as a actual table. So now you can tell me the answers. Now select star from EMP. I can write the query like this. Just run the query. Just run the query. Now how many employees are there? These many employees are there as per the data. Just I can copy the data. Now you can tell me the answers. How many employees are there? 14 employees are present. Correct? How many employees are there? 14 employees are there. For this data, for this employee table, there are 14 employees are there. Out of 14 employees, whose employee name start with A? That details I'm able to find out. All of you clear the
Where-
requirement?
Where E name equal to A.
All
Where
of you
E
clear the
name like
requirement? If you know the data, then how we can write the query? If you know the data, select star from EMP, where E name equal
Like-
to what is the name start with A? Alan. Is it correct or not? Alan. Or otherwise, what is the condition we need, right? E name equal to one more, what it is? Adams. Is there any other name? Start with
No.
A as per our data, employee table data.
No, not that.
No, correct? Now, if you are able to write the query, then you can get it the data or not.
Yes.
Now, This is the condition we need to, I don't want to write the condition. Now I want to write the operator only. What type of operator I am going to write? In operator only. Select star from EMP where ename in
Alan,
Allen, comma, Adam. Then you can write it, correct? If you know the names, then you can write the query very, very easily. If you don't know, what is our current requirement? Whose employee name start with A? The details I am able to find out. How we can write the query? How
Using
we can
like.
write the query? We don't know which employee name start with A.
Using like.
Then we can go for the like operator only. Is it clear? When we'll go for the like operator? If
We
you know the
don't know
employee
the-
names, then you can
We
directly
don't
pass it.
know
We don't.
the
If you
information.
don't know the employee names, sir, dynamically we can get the data. How we can get the dynamically? By using like operator only. Okay. Now how we can write the query? How we can write the query? Just I am going to write it. Select
Select star from EMP.
star from
Where
EMP.
EM like a
Where
percentile.
just you can observe here. E name like yes only I am going to write it. What is our current requirement? A only. A only. Is it work?
No, it won't work.
Is there any employee name start with A as of now? Only A. Is it there? Can I
No.
write
No,
any
not there.
wildcard character here?
Yes, we can
After
write
character name,
percentile.
can I write any wildcard character as of now? For the like operator, after character A, is there any wildcard character? Percentage
Yes,
or underscore?
percentile, percentile.
If it is not there, it won't display any output. Just check it. Is there any, is this query can display any output? Why
No.
it won't display any output? We
We
do not
don't
write
have
any
any name A.
wildcard character here, after character only. What is this definition? After character. What is this? Like operator, this one. Remaining character start selected after selected character in the given expression only. Then same query I'm going to here, it won't display any output. Correct? Now for this here, now you can check it. Now what I'm going to write, is it a percentage or underscore?
Percentile.
Percentile only. Now run the query. Whose employee name start with A? If you want to get the output or not?
Yes.
Yes,
All of you clear for this, sir?
yes, yes.
Now run the query. Select star from EMP. Is there any other names? Now you can check it. Select star from EMP.
Very,
Now is there any other names?
no.
C. Is there? C though. Martin. Is there any J? James. Jones. Now you can tell me. Whose employee name start with J? As per the given employee names in the employee table, there are 14 employees are there. Out of 14 employees, the whose employee name start with A, how many employees are there in the table? 2 employees. What is my next requirement? How many employees? To display the employee details, whose employee name start with J? How we can write the query? Select star from EMP where ename like J percentage only. What is the character as per our requirement starting with J only?
J.
Now who's the name start with J? That character, that employee names, it can display by this query. Now we can check it. Is it displayed or not?
Yes.
Is it clear up to this, sir?
Yes.
Now, next, what is my current requirement? Whose name end with S? This is the starting character only. What is my current requirement?
Percentile is
Whose employee name end with S? Now you can check the data. How many employee names end with S as per the given employee names? One is the Jones, correct? End with S. Is there any other name?
Adams.
Adams, James. As per the given employee names, how many employee name end with S?
2.
3 only.
Three.
3 only. James, Adams, and Jones. How we can write the query?
Select star
Select
from
star from
EMP.
EMP.
Just you can write in
Where name
reverse
like-
way.
Where ename
Select
underscore,
star
like
from EMP
percentile is.
where ename
Underscore,
like
underscore S.
what it is percentage? Yes.
Yes.
Now is there any after percentage? But ending character what it is? Yes only. Before that we don't know.
Okay.
Whatever the name it is there, whatever the character is there, I don't bother about that. But ending with yes, the details I'm able to find. Now run the query. 1 minute. Now run the query. Now you how many whose employee name end with yes?
Jones, Adams, James.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Next, now I can check any other details. Either any end with either E, H. Whose name end with N? Whose name end with N as per this data? How we can write the query? Whose employee name ends with N? That details I am able to find out.
Select star from
Select star
Same
from
query. What I am
Yeah.
going to do? Just
where E name like
where E name like percentage
percentage.
N.
Yeah.
only. Now run the query. How many employee names end with N?
2.
2.
2 only. Is
Two
it clear?
employees.
Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I am going to move it as a next one. Now you can tell me. Display the employee details. Display the employee details. Whose name is having high. But it is just observe here. Select star from EMP. Now run the query. In this employee name, whose employee name is having I character, the details I'm able to find out. We don't know the starting character. We don't know the ending character. In your employee name, wherever the I character it is there, the details I'm able to find out. All of you clear the requirement? Now
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
earlier, what we are going to do, if we are able to find out the employee name start with A, then how we can write the query? E name like A percentage only we need to write. In the
Yeah.
earlier, what we are going to do, employee name end with yes, what we are going to do, E name like
Percentage.
percentage yes only. What is current requirement?
Only
Is to
display the
display the
ID.
employee details whose name is having I
Fine.
character only. The details
Yes.
I am able to find. That is the I, it is a first position we don't know, second position we don't know, third position we don't know, ending position we don't know. That employee name details I am able to find out. How we can get it? How we can write the query?
Select star from
Percentile I,
Where-
percentile.
Just in
Employee.
between percentage and percentage, what we are going to write?
In
I
middle we have
only.
to write I.
Just check it here. Where E name
like
like
percentile
first I
I,
am going to write it as
percentile.
percentage only. Normally, now how we can write it? If I am going to write the I percentage, what does it mean for this? It can
Starting
display
like-
whose employee name start with A only. Correct or not? The details
sir.
only it can display. Now, if I am going to write it as a percentage I, what does it mean for this? Whose
Ending
employee
with
name
I.
end with yes, the details only it can display it here. What is our current requirement? I don't know the position of I,
The name should contain I.
but I will get that is the first position, second position, anywhere it is there in I, that employee names I am able to find out. Now you can write the query as I. Now run it. Now run it here. Now I'm going to run this query. Is it clear? How many employee names is having I character? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear up to this, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
These 3 cases only we need to find out in the real time also. Now, can anyone tell me the answers? One more table, big table, I'm going to show it here. Select star from DBA objects. This is the table. Already this is a predefined table, correct or not? Now if I am able to run this query, now here one of the column, it only one column I want to take it here. I don't want to take all the column. If you want to take it, then you can, no problem. Object name only. Object name only. Total, how many records are there for this table? As of now, how many objects are present in this table? Now you can check it.
50
Now here,
counters.
how many rows are there in this table as of now?
90,000 rows.
90,000. Almost how many records are there in this table? 90,292 as of now, as per this server. Okay. What is my requirement? For this table, DBA objects table, one of the column is having a object name. In this column, how many objects are present? It is a table, view, sequence, we don't know. All the objects are present in this column. How many are there as of now? 90,292 only. Okay. Now here also one more column, I'm going to write it here, object type. For understanding purpose, I'm going to write it here. What type of object? Is it a table or view or sequence? That is coming. Now I can run this query. Okay. Okay, next. Now, what is my current requirement? Whose object name start with A? How we can write the query? For the same query, for the same table, how we can write the query? Whose object name start with A? The details I am able to find out. How we can write the query?
Select star from
Select star from.
If you are able able to write the star? Only
Okay.
I
Select
can
object
only
name.
two columns only. Just
Select
copy the two
object
columns
name.
only. Now how can I write it? Where? Which column? We need to find out. Object name only. Correct or not? Object name
Equal to.
like what I'm going to do? Starting with A objects. Now how can I write the query?
Percentage.
Write the query like this, A percentage. Now run the query. How many objects are there? Out of 90,222. How many can start with
320.
in your organization also you need to find out the employee names or not for the same way.
Yes.
In your organization, for example, if you are in your now you can join as a TCS company. The TCS company not only India, throughout the world it is there, correct or not? Throughout the world there are 2 lakhs employees are there. Out of 2 lakhs employees, how many employee names start with E? How can I write the query? You can they are able to maintain all the employee names in the employee table. How can I write the query? How can I write the query? Employee table, E-name column it is there. How I can write the query? Whose name start with A?
A percentage.
Where E name like A
Where
percentage.
E-name like A percentage only, correct or not?
Yes.
This is the way we need to write. Currently, as per our requirement, what is whose object name start with A? The details only I am able to find out. For example, I am able to find out the whose object name is having B. How can I write the query? B only.
E percentage.
Now here what I am going to do? B percentage only. Now run the query. Just check it. Object name. The name start with B or any other name it is there.
Only
Object
B.
name.
Only B.
Only B. Is it correct or not? How many
Yes.
records are there? Only one.
192.
Now I am able to find out the object name start with C. How can I write the query?
C
Same.
percentage.
C percentage only. This is the way we need to find out. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How many object names should start with C? 3023.
3023.
Like that, up to you want to give it as a Z only, A to Z. Okay, clear? Now, for the same way, I'm able to find out the whose object name is ending with A only. How can I write the query? Ending with A.
Percentage A.
Like
Percentage.
percentile.
Only. Now check it. For this object, what is the starting character? Starting, we don't know. What is our requirement? Ending with A. Is there or not? Object name ending with A.
Yes.
Each object name is having ending with A or not?
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
clear up to this? Now you can find out ending with B. How can I write the query? Same. This one, B.
B percentage.
Now run the query. You can get it or not? Ending with B. Each object name ending with B or not? Clear? No.
Yes.
Now the object name, the character I, same I only. Wherever it is present I, the details I am able to find out. Whose object name is having I, the details I am able to find out. How can I write the query? That position I don't know. Then what we are going to write?
Percentile I.
Percentage. In between you need to write the
Percentage.
character only.
I
Now run the query. How many objects are with I? That is the position we don't know. Anywhere it is the first position also I want to get it. Second position also I want to get it. You can get it or not. First it is I. Second it is I. Third it is I. It is there or not? Now how many records are there? Out of 90,000, 73,247. The I position it is there. Not only first, second, third, anywhere. The details I am able to find. This is the way we need to write the query. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to this, all of you. Now, this is the positive or negative? Is this operator is a positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive only. If I am able to write the negative operator, how can I write the query? Same queries. How
Not
can
like.
I write the
Not
query?
like.
Negatives. Not like only. Is it clear? Just
Yes,
I am going to
yes.
write as a negative also for the same only. For all the operators, I am going to write as a negatives.
Same like this, not like but
Here, for example, up to this we have covered, not like only here. Now you can tell me, what is the output it can print here?
Not starting
object
with A.
names,
Not
not start with A.
A.
The remaining object names I want to get it, correct or not? Except
Yes,
A, I am able to find out the remaining objects.
Yes,
Is
yes,
it print or not?
yes.
This is the way we need to write it. For this case, what I am going to write? Except
Not
B.
like.
Except to be.
Except B, I am able to see the remaining object names. Now run the query. This is called as a not like only. Now what is this? C only. Here, what I am going to do? Not like only. This is the way we are able to write the query, not like this is a negative. Is it clear?
Yes.
Like anyone is having any very, very important for this operator, like and in, very, very important in the real time. Anyone is having any doubts as of now?
No.
One more I am going to explain for this. For example, first I want to copy all the things. Next, I'm going to create one table. Everything it is printing. Just a minute. How can anyone tell me the answers for this? Just I am going to create one dummy table for understanding purpose. For more understanding of like operator, now I am going to create the one table. Just inserting some rows. Just I'm going to apply the commit. Now run the query. What is the data is there here? What is the employee name here? Some employee names is having special characters or not?
Yes.
Now you can check it. Some employee names is having some special characters are there or not?
Yes. Yes.
One of the employee name is having row number 2. What it is a special character hash it is there, correct?
Yes.
First what it is there? At the rate symbol it is there, dot it is there.
Dot is there.
What is the third one?
Percentage.
Percentile.
Say fourth one, what is special character?
Asterisk. Star.
Correct? Now here what is the fifth one?
Underscore.
Underscore only.
Again,
Sixth one what
percentage.
is percentage only.
Percentage.
Seventh one what is again?
Dollars.
Dollar only. Correct? Now I am able to find out the employee. Whose employee name start with percentage only? Not percentage, dollar only. How we can write the query? Whose employee name start with dollar? The detail, wherever the dollar it is there, the details I am able to find out.
Where employee name
Whose
like
name is having dollar? Whose employee name is having dollar? The details I am able to find out. What is the table name here? Select
Select
from
from
the table name. Just copy the table name. Okay. Where
employee name
e name like
Like.
what I'm going to do dollar wherever it is there, the details I'm able to find out.
dollar.
Percentile. Dollar.
Now here
Percentile.
what is I'm going to write? Dollar only. Dollar only it is there. Our data it is having dollar, correct? Now I am able to run this query. How many records are getting as of
Only
now?
one.
Is it correct or not? In
Yes,
this
sir.
table, employee name, how many employee names is having a dollar as per the data? Only one or multiple?
Only one.
Only one. Okay. Now this query is good as of now, correct or not?
Yes.
This query is good. Now, next, what is my requirement? Just one more I'm going to tell you. Now you can tell me the answers for this next one. I'm going to give it as a hash. How can I write the query? For the same query, wherever the whose employee name is having hash, the details I'm able to find out. That the position I don't know. Okay. Now what I'm going to write it here? Hash only.
Hash.
Hash only. Now run the query. How many employees we are getting?
Only one.
One in this table also, how many hashes it is there? Employee names?
One.
Special character, only one. Correct? Up to this clarity. Now I am going to write the one more query. What is? What it is the one more symbol? Dot only. How can I write the query? Dot. Here
Percentile
I'm
dot.
going to write is a dot only. Now run the query. How many employees names is having the dot? Only one employee. Is it correct or not? Now I am going to write as @ symbol. @ symbol. Now you can tell me how many employees are having the @ symbol as of now? Only one. Is
Only
it
one.
clear up to this?
Yes.
Now I am going to ask the one question here. Now if I am able to write for the employee names, is having percentage is there as per the given data.
Yes. One employee is having.
Employee is
Two
having the
employees.
percentage, correct?
Two employees.
Now whose employee name is having the percentage, wherever it is, position, the details I am able to find. How we can write the query here? If I am able to give the percentage here, now you can tell me. How many rows are coming?
Every row.
Every employee name is picked by this query or not? But as per the table, employee names, whose employee name is having percentage as of now in between any character? How many employee names are there?
2.
Two only. But how many records we need to fetch it here?
So,
We
All
take
the
it 7.
Is it correct?
No.
Now go to this query. If I'm going to give the underscore only, how many employee names is having underscore as per the special characters?
one.
Only 1.
Underscore, this one, correct?
Yes.
If I may write the query also here. Now if I'm going to write as a underscore here. Now here, just on the query. How many records we need to get?
All.
Only 1, but we got 6.
Why? In the earlier, if you want to give except these two before giving any special character, either it is a percentage or not percentage, hash, at the rate symbol, dollar, caret symbol, ampersand, anything you need to give. Then they can give the whatever the data is there, only the data it can pick by your query. Now, as per the last two queries, if you are able to give the percentage and underscore, why the query it can pick the multiple rows only? Can anyone have any idea? All of you clear the requirement? What I'm saying here? What I'm saying here? If you are able to write any special characters in your employee name, except percentage and underscore, if you are able to give other special characters, they have to print those names only. Now, if you are able to give the percentage and underscore in your employee name, okay, in your employee name having these two special characters are there, it can pick all the records or not as of now.
Yes.
Now, why it is picking these two? Only these two characters, it can pick all the rows. Why? The system, it can be accept to these two characters as a wildcard characters only. Is it clear up to this, all of you? The system, they are not able to recognize these two characters as a special characters. And why? Because what is our wildcard characters by using like operator? What are the operators we are able to use the like operator, wildcard character?
Percentage underscore.
Percentage and underscore only. If you are able to pass the e-name by using percentage and underscore, why the system? How the system it can be treat these two also, it can be treated as a wildcard characters only, but it cannot treat as a special characters only. But these two characters as a special characters or not? Now you can tell me. All of it clear or not?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is, if you are able to give the percentage and underscore in between, if you are give this one like operator, the system it can be treated as a wildcard characters only, but it cannot be treated as a special characters. How the system it can be treated as a special characters for these two? Then Oracle it can provide the one more option that is called as escape only. All of you clear for this? Now, simple example I'm going to tell you here. Only I'm going to write the only one name only. Is it acceptable or not? If I'm able to write the like percentage at the rate, how many records we need to print?
Only 1.
Only one, correct or not? Now, now you can tell me. For this data, first I'm going to write as a like operator percentage at the rate. How many records it can print out of 6? Out of 6, how many rows it can print?
1.
I'm able to write the like as a percentage. What it is? At the rate symbol percentage I want to write. How many records print as per the above data?
Only 1.
Only one. Correct? Now if I'm able to write as a one more, what is hash only? How many records it can print?
1.
Only one. Next, what is there? Next one? Ampersand. Okay. Now, if I am able to write this, how many records it can print as of now?
One.
Only one. Correct. Now, I am going to write is a percentage. Now, here, exclamatory mark, I am going to write as a percentage. How many records it can print?
Only 1.
Now, you can tell me. Percentage. It can print how many rows?
All the
6
records.
rows.
Only as per the example. Now, if I am able to write the underscore, percentage, again we need to write how many records it can
All.
print.
6.
Why the
Okay.
system it can be treated as a 6? The system doesn't know these two characters, the special characters, the system it can be treated as a wild
Wild
card
card.
character only. How we can overcome this issue? I don't want print all the records. As per our requirement, how many records we need to print as per the data? If I'm able to write the percentage also, how many records
Only
we need
one
to
we
print?
have
Only
to
one
do.
only, correct or not? But
Yes.
here, how many records we need to print? All the records on. This is correct. This is not a correct. To overcome this issue, what we are going to do? Escape only. That is the meta characters only. How we can write that? Just I'm going to copy the syntax. Escape, how we can write it? Everything I am going to write it here. It can display all the rows, but it's not correct. Data, how we can overcome this issue? Now, what it is, generally, Oracle server will treat these symbols as percentage underscore called as a wildcard characters or not, but not a special character. So that it returns all employees data from a table. To overcome this issue and treat it as a special character, then we use a statement called escape only. Escape on. How we can write that? Just I'm going to copy the syntax. Just 1 minute. I can tell you here. Now, what is our table name? This is the table. Where ename like escape, you are going to write the forward slash only. We need to write forward slash. This not a backward. This is a forward slash. This is a next. What is here? After this percentage, what I am going to write here also we need to write the percent forward slash only. The remaining same only. Here, is there anything extra? First, I am going to write this only. Just you can observe here. Now, if I am going to execute this query, all the records it can pick it here. Now, just check it here. Only what we are going to extra here, only forward slash extra here. Escape forward slash it is extra here. Now run the query. How many records it can pick? By using percentage, how many records are there in this table? Only two only, correct or not?
Yes,
So it
correct.
can pick the output or not, exact output.
Yes.
If you don't this escape symbol, this forward slash in this query, is it pick all the rows or not in the previous?
Yes.
Is it correct or not? This is a wrong. Now
This
the
is
system
wrong.
it can be treated as a special character for this escape forward slash only. Then we can now here one more what is underscore also. Here what I am going to do instead of percentage, what I am going to write underscore only. Now here also same only, nothing. This one no need to change. Now I am going to write it. Now you want to get the output or not? Underscore also.
Yes, correct.
This is the way we need to write it. Only what is the symbol we need to write it here? Forward slash in this one and escape forward slash we need to write it. This is the syntax only. Only in your employee name, in your name's character is having underscore and percentage, it is there. The symbol it won't support. E-name like it won't support. Instead of that, what we are going to do? Escape forward slash we need to write it in our query. Then only can get those special characters data. Otherwise, it won't. But data is getting, but it is a duplicate. All the records it can pick. That is not correct as per the requirement. Is it clear? I'll be
Yes.
clear for this, sir.
Escape is a keyword, sir.
Escape is a meta character.
Okay.
This is the syntax only. Why you need to use this? If you don't write this, the system it can be treated as a wildcard characters,
Yes.
characters, but it cannot treat as a special characters only. In this wildcard characters also, the system it can be treated as a special character. How it can treat them? By using escape symbol only. This is the
Okay.
syntax we need to write it. Clear? I'll be
Okay.
clear for this, sir. Any doubts for this? Any confusion? Nothing, any confusion here. Just this is the query. It is there. Here instead of percentage, what I am going to do? Now you can tell me what I am going to do here. First percentage, in between percentage we need to write. This is not a carrot. You can pick all the rows only. For that case, how we can write? Just you can write all the things only. Just what I am going to write it here. Extra forward slash only. Next, what I am going to do? Escape. Escape single forward slash on. That's it. This is the syntax we need to follow. Same thing only I have to write here. Clear? This is called as a like operator only. Can I move to next one? Like and not like, is it clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mohan.
Tell me. Now I am going to move it as a next one. What is last one? Is null or is not null
Is
only.
not null.
Okay, this is the last operator, positive and negative operators. Now up to now what we have covered, in, not in is over, between, not between is over, like and not like is over. Next one is the is null or is not null only. Now I am going to move it as this. Now when we'll go for the is null, then one example I am going to tell you. Simple. Select star from EMP. If I am going to run this query. For this table, one of the column is having a commission, is there or not? Now for this employee table, one of the column is having a commission or not? COMM. The column is there or
Yes.
not?
Yes.
Now you can tell me the answer. To display the employee details, whose employee commission is having a 300, the details I am able to find out. How I can write the query? All of you clear the requirement. Now, what is my current requirement? To display the employee details, whose commission is having 300. The details I am able to find out. How I can write the query?
Select star from EMP where
Where
commission-
commission equal to
300.
Select star
300.
from EMP. Okay.
Where commission is equal to 300.
Commission equal to
300.
300.
learn good. Okay. Now clear. Now next I am going to run this query. Whose employee commission is having a 0? The details I am able to find out. Whose employee commission is having a 0? The details I am able to find out.
where commission
Commission is equal to
Commission is
0.
How can I write the
equal to
query?
0.
Select star from EMP. Okay.
Where
Where commission equal to
Commission
0.
equal to 0. Okay, well and good. How many employees his commission is having a 0 as per this table?
0. Only one employee.
Okay. Next, what is my current requirement? How many to display the employee detail? Whose employee commission is having 400? How I can write the query?
the
Commission
place
equal to
of
400.
Select star from EMP. Okay. Where commission equal to
400.
okay, well and good. Now, what is my current requirement? Now, for the same table, commission column is having empty values. Null values are there or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, I'm able to find out the whose employee commission is not having any value. The details I'm able to find out. How many employees doesn't have a commission? The details I'm able to find out. How I can write the query?
Select star from
Select star from
EMP
EMP
where
Where
commission is
commission
null.
commission is
null.
equal to
is null.
Commission equal to
null.
null only. Now, can I write if I write this query, is this query can display any data?
No.
How many employees is having a commission? How many employees doesn't have a commission as per this table? Now you can tell me.
1, 2, 3,
6,
4,
7.
6.
7 for this, how many?
10,
There are
10.
10 employees doesn't have a commission. But if I'm able to run this query it can display 10 employees.
No.
Why it won't display any data?
It's wrong.
How it's wrong?
Because we are giving null, so
What is the use of null? Null is just remember this point. If we are going to comparing any null value data in your column, relational operator it won't support only.
yes.
If we are able to compare any null value into our column, it won't support. Now, already I told you, null is equal to 0. Is
No.
equal to 0. Is it possible?
No.
Null
No,
always
no.
not equal to 0 only. Correct or not?
No.
Already I told you. Well, while inserting the data into your columns, we are passing null values into that particular columns. Correct or not? Insert.
Yes.
I have explained the null values. Now null always is not equal to 0. Null always is not equal to space. That's the reason for this scenario, it won't display the data. For this reason, what the Oracle it can provide? What is the operator? Instead of this, it can write as is null only. If we are able to compare any value with null, it won't display any data. How we can get the data? By using
It is null.
null only.
Commission is equal.
Now, how many employees doesn't have a commission as per this query?
10
How
employees.
we can get all the data or not?
Yes.
If in the previous, if any value it is there, then this condition it is satisfied. Correct or not?
Yes.
If if you are going to compare any null value with your column, it won't display any output. Is it clear up to this, all of you? Null is nothing but unknown data. We don't know what value. That is called the null only. Now clear? Now what is my current requirement? I'm able to find out how many employees is having a commission, but I don't know the values. Now you can tell me. Now here, what is this query? It can display the output. For this query, it can display how many employees doesn't have a commission only. What is my next requirement? How many employees is having a commission? The details I am able to find.
Not null.
Select star from
Commission.
EMP.
It
where
is not
commission
null,
is
we
not
can
null.
use.
Null
Not
is
null.
not null. It is there or not? One more query where commission is
It's not null.
not null only. Now run the query. You want to get the output or not?
Yes.
Hmm?
Oh,
Clear up to this, all of you. Not only this table. Now we can go to other tables also. Select star from XXPO headers all. Okay. Now run the query. For this column order number, some order numbers data is having null or not?
yes.
Some order numbers is having null or not? What is my current requirement? I don't want able to see the null values in this column. How I can write the query?
Using is not.
Now I don't want able to see the null values in the column. How I can write the
Not
query? Where? What is our column name?
Order
Where
number.
order number
Order number
is not null.
is
is
not
not
null.
null.
Only. Not is null. Is not null. Why? Because I'm not able to see the null values into this column. Then we can write the query like this only. Now run the query. Is there any null value in the order number? Just you can check it.
No.
Is there any order number is having any null value?
No.
Now I am able to see the null values in the order number. How I can write the query? I'm able to see
Is
the
null.
order number is having null values. How I can write the
Is
query?
null.
Is null.
You can use
The way
is
we
null.
need to write. In the real time, no one will print the null values only. There is no use of null data, correct or not? The end
Yes.
user can accept the null values? No, only actual data only they can able to see the data. That's the reason which operator we need to write is not null only. Is not null only. Is it clear up to this, all of you? Is
Yes,
null
sir.
and is not null. All of you clear for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is having any doubts for all the operators? Now, how many we have covered as of now? Arithmetic, relational, logical, and special operators only. One more operator it is there, set operators. Tomorrow I will explain the set operators only. As of now, anyone is having any doubts for this? No, you can tell me, I can explain.
Recording stopped.
Anyone for this one? Any doubts for this? Like is null and is not null, in between. Very, very important for these operators only. Is it clear, all of you? Anyone is having any doubts for this?
నల్ అంటే ఎక్కడ ఏం డేటా లేదని మోహన్.
నల్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఎంటీ కదా.
Empty.
ఫ్యూచర్ లో మనకు వాల్యూ వస్తే దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? దాన్ని అప్డేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. అంతే కదా నల్ అంటే.
నాట్ నల్ అంటే అక్కడ డేటా ఉందని.
నాట్ నల్ అంటే ఏంటి? సమ్ డేటా. సమ్ డేటానే కదా. ఇప్పుడు మనకి క్వెరీ రాశారు మీరు. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? అది ఇంకా క్వెరీ రాస్తే డేటా వచ్చిందా లేదా? ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎండ్ యూజర్కి ఏం చేస్తారు? డేటాను ప్రొవైడ్ డేటా ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా? ఆ కాలంలో ఉన్న డేటాను ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. నల్ వాల్యూస్ తో ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా? నల్ వాల్యూస్ తో యూజ్ ఏముంది? నల్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఎంటీ. వాళ్ళతో మనకు అవసరం లేదు కదా ఆ డేటాతో. అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు క్వెరీలో ఏం రాయాలి? నాట్ నల్ అంటే రాస్తారు. అన్నెసరీగా మీరు అన్ని కాలమ్స్ డేటా ఇవ్వకూడదు. ఆ కాలంలో ఏంటి? నల్స్ ఉంటే ఇవ్వకూడదు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? మీరు కండిషన్ ఏదన్నా కానీ కాలంకి నాట్ నల్ అనేది రాయాలి. ఫైనల్ గా ఈ కండిషన్ కంపల్సరీ ఉంటుంది. ఈజ్ నాట్ నల్ అనేది. ఎందుకు రాస్తారంటే యాక్చువల్ డేటానే కావాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాలింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ యాక్చువల్ డేటా. ఒకవేళ నేను ఇది తీసేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? నల్ డేటా వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. దిస్ ద very important. This is the one only. Is not none is the important only. Is it clear?
Okay.
Now anyone? In, not in. In ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు చెప్పండి? Why do we will go for the in? In అనేది ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేయాలి నేను?
మల్టిపుల్
వాల్యూస్.
మల్టిపుల్ వాల్యూస్ పాస్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఇన్ కి నార్మల్ గా ఏమవుతుంది? నాకు ఆర్ కండిషన్ ఉంది. మనకి ఆర్ అనేది ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఆ క్వెరీకి నాకు 10 వాల్యూస్ ను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. 10 ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలనుకున్నా. అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? ఆర్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ ఏ, మళ్ళీ కండిషన్ రాయాలి, ఆర్ అని రాయాలి. మళ్ళీ ఏం రాయాలి? బి, ఆర్ అని రాయాలి. సి, ఆర్, డి, ఆర్. ఇట్లా రాయాలన్నా లేదా? అన్నిటికీ. అలా లేకుండా నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? ఇన్ రాసేసి బ్రాకెట్ ఏం చేస్తాను? ఓన్లీ 10 వాల్యూస్ రాదు. కండిషన్ అనేది రాయడం వల్ల అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ వైజ్ ఇది ఫాస్ట్ అవుతుంది క్వెరీ. ఇది రాయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? ఇన్ని కండిషన్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళాలి. అప్పుడు డేటాబేస్ అనేది స్లో అవుతుంది. దానికోసం ఒరాకిల్ వాడే ఇది రాసినా ఒకటే అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది, ఇది రాసినా ఒకటే. కానీ డేటాబేస్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ వైజ్ ఏది బెస్ట్? బెస్ట్. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అంతే. ఇది ఇచ్చినా మీకు ఇది రన్ చేసినా అదే అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ లెంగ్తీ ప్రాసెస్. టు ఓవర్కమ్ దిస్ దెన్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ యాజ్ ఇన్ ఆపరేటర్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి, నాకు సమ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ డేటా కావాలి. నాకేంటి ఇప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి కావాలి, 1st Jan నుంచి ఈ రోజు వరకు కావాలి, కరెంట్ డేట్ వరకు కావాలి. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు, ఈ రోజు ఏంటి కరెంట్ డేట్,
Between.
అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, నేను ఏ ఆపరేటర్ ఇచ్చేయాలి, సమ్ రేంజ్. అంటే డేట్స్ అనేది ఒక కాలం ఉంటుందా లేదా బ్యాంక్ లో, జస్ట్ బ్యాంక్ టేబుల్ అనేది ఉంది, బ్యాంక్ లో కాలం అనేది ఉంటుందా లేదా, డేట్స్ అనేది ఏ కాలంలో స్టోర్ ఏంటాయి వాళ్ళది బ్యాంక్ డేట్ అనుకోండి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. అప్పుడు నేను క్వెరీ ఎలా రాయాలి, సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్యాంక్. జస్ట్ ఇలా మీరు రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బట్టి మీరు క్వెరీస్ రాసుకోవాలి. వేర్ వాట్ ఈస్ అవర్ కాలం నేమ్, బ్యాంక్ డేట్.
Bank
Bank date between what I am going to write it here,
1st Jan to
1st Jan
till date.
1st Jan 25 and what I am going to write 2 days date. You can write the query like this. అంతే కదా, స్టార్ట్ డేట్ డేట్ ఉంటుంది లేదా మనకి బ్యాంక్ లో స్టేట్మెంట్. మనకి ఏదైనా ఆన్లైన్ లో మీరు ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి, మీరు January 1st నుంచి కరెంట్ డేట్ వరకు కావాలంటే ఏంటి, స్టార్ట్ డేట్ ఫ్రమ్ డేట్ ఉంటుంది, ఎండ్ డేట్ ఉంటుందా లేదా అక్కడ మీకు. దిస్ ద వే వి నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఇట్.
సార్ సిస్ డేట్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా, కరెంట్ డేట్
డేట్
కావాలంటే.
అంటే ఏంటి, ఈ రోజుదే కదా, ఈ రోజు డేటే కావాలంటే సిస్ డేట్ ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మీకు సిస్ డేట్ అంటే ఎలా వస్తుంది, 4th February 25 to 4th February 25 ఇవ్వాలి. ఈ కండిషన్ కంపల్సరీ వాల్యూ ఇవ్వాలి మీరు, లో వాల్యూ టు హై వాల్యూ ఇవ్వాలి.
ఓకే,
ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఇస్ ద బిట్వీన్. లైక్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా, ఏదన్నా కాలం, ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ అనే కాదు, ఏదన్నా కాలం తీసుకోండి, ఆ కాలంలో నాకు స్టార్టింగ్ క్యారెక్టర్ కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, లైక్ అని రాసి సింగిల్ కోట్లో ఇచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ఏ అంటే ఏం రాయాలి, ఏ పర్సెంట్. ఒకవేళ ఎండింగ్ విత్ ఏ అంటే ఏం రాయాలి, సేమ్
Percentage.
కాలం నేమ్ ఉంటది, ఇక్కడ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఏ. నాకు ఏ అనేది ఏ పొజిషన్ లోనే కావాలి, నాకు అది ఏ పొజిషన్ నాకు తెలియదు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మీరు, ఇక్కడ పర్సెంటేజ్. దిస్ ద వే వి నీడ్ టు రైట్. ఇంక ఇవే ఉంటాయి మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళడానికి, కానీ టేబుల్స్ కాలం నేమ్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయి, అదొకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. మనం అన్ని డిస్కస్ చేయాలంటే మనకు తెలియదు ఏ టేబుల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందో. ఇది కామన్ టేబుల్, ఇది ఎంప్లాయీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అనేది అది ఒరాకిల్ వాడు ప్రొవైడ్ చేసినట్టు మన టెస్టింగ్ కోసం. ఇవన్నీ డిఫరెంట్ టేబుల్స్. దిస్ ద వే వి నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే? ఎనీవన్ ఇస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్? జస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్. మీరు ఎవరున్నా ఏదున్నా డౌట్ ఉన్నా పింక్ చేయండి నాకు, 1 to 1. ఎవరికైనా మీకు గ్రూప్ లో పింక్ చేయాలంటే ప్రాబ్లం అనుకుంటే నా నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా, నా నెంబర్కి పింక్ చేయండి. ఎనీవన్, మార్నింగ్ 7 to night 11, anytime you need to ping me, I can respond. If I am busy, lately I can respond. నేను ఒకవేళ బిజీగా ఉంటే ఆఫీస్ వర్క్ లో నేను లేట్ గా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతాను, లేదు అంటే ఇమీడియట్ గా రెస్పాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, మీకు ఏదున్నా డౌట్స్. ఓకే, just I am going to give some assignments. Just you need to practice for today. Yesterday I forgot that. Today I will provide to all. Just at least I can give the 15 queries, 15 questions to all of you. Just you need to practice, and tomorrow I can ask to each and everyone. Now can all of you tell the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
15 queries. Just simple things only, whatever we have covered. Already yesterday I told you, how can I see all the employee details? How can I see all the department details? How many employees are working as a department number 10? How we can able to find out how many employees are job as a manager? That questions are there. Now we can write the answers and tell me tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Anwar.
Thank you, ma'am.